Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are a content creator or are on any type of platform, which is Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, I think these apps are for you. So, first of all, today we're going to be talking about two apps that are mainly for creators and people that genuinely like posting on the internet and being active, okay? But I think they mainly focus on TikTok, but they do include Instagram and YouTube. Okay, you can link those accounts too. So the first app I'm going to talk about is called SoundMe. SoundMe, great app, love it, to die for. It's never really done me wrong, considering the fact that I literally have a young 200 followers on TikTok, but I can still manage to make a good amount of money on there for my views. So basically, SoundMe pays you to use sounds that creators, want you to use, like artists want you to use. Artists will pay SoundMe will distribute the money, offer campaigns. Creators will approve your account. They'll choose if they want to let you, depending on the amount of followers you have and engagement you typically have on your account. They'll approve you, and after they approve you, you can then post the videos and stuff. Okay, it's a very easy app to use, not difficult at all. Instructions are there. You can read it yourself, or I can make a step-by-step tutorial on both these apps, how exactly they work, depending on how many people need it. But I'm pretty sure most people understand what's happening, okay? I think so. So, yeah, SoundMe is really not difficult. They pay you per thousand. No. They pay you per view you get, okay? And there's a certain rate. It's not bad. For me, given I have a young 200 followers, it's not bad. My rates, I usually get $2 to $4 per campaign. Sometimes if I'm lucky, I'll get $6. Not bad at all. Yeah. And also, what about SoundMe? It pays out through PayPal, which I obviously don't like. But if I honestly don't like it because of the process that you need to go through FNB, and I don't want to have to do that. But I did find a different process where you don't need to use FNB. I will make a video on that if need be. But yeah, it pays through PayPal. And honestly, I love the fact that the withdrawal rate, minimum withdrawal, is $5. And it's so easy to accumulate $5 on that app right now, because most artists are genuinely paying. And the more followers and the more engagement you have on your TikTok account, the more money they're paying you. So for 1 gig, sometimes they'll be 96 Rand. And you're like, wow, this is a great amount of money. Yeah, it's not bad. Typically not bad. So yeah, SoundMe is great. It's genuinely great app. I have no complaints when it comes to it. Great app, pays out, genuinely pays out. It's real, it's legit. And also, just make sure you're not posting low effort content, because it will actually affect your account and they will decline when you post low effort content. Don't make that same mistake. There were days where I was lazy and I decided to use pictures instead of actually making a video. Was not a great idea, because they declined that offer and I couldn't apply for that specific offer again, because once it's declined, it's declined. You can't say, oh, okay, I get it now, I won't do that, blah blah blah, because they already say in the rules, they give you rules on what to follow and what not to do, So yeah, I'd recommend that, honestly speaking. There's not much to say about SoundMe. It's great. It's a great app. You just post. You can link Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. I told you. It's a great app. Okay? Really good. I have literally no complaints about it at all. Other than the fact that sometimes, obviously, there won't be a whole lot of campaigns to post. But also, it's not really SoundMe's fault. It's just there aren't a lot of active... just means at the time there aren't a lot of active artists looking for people to use their sounds, okay? But it's a really good. I love their pay rates. I love their minimum withdrawal. Great app overall. I think you guys should also hop onto it, honestly speaking, if you genuinely love making content, or you're already making content and you have a good amount of followers and engagement. So if you want this app, link is going to be down below. Use my promo codes, to mostly help me out. And also, you will get a certain incentive. I'm not sure with SoundMe, I can't remember how much it was, but they give you, I don't remember, I'm pretty sure it's probably increased by now. They give you a certain amount when you use the promo code. But yeah, please do use the link below or the promo code when you're downloading. Okay, great stuff. Okay, so for the second app, which is called Noise app, firstly, getting the Noise app was difficult because I'm in South Africa, and the Noise app is typically meant only for UK users, US users, and users in Canada. Okay, those are the only regions supported. But you try to download it off the Play Store or on App Store, literally you won't find it, or it'll just tell you it's not available in your region. So if you actually want to get it, you're gonna need to download the actual app package on literally any site. But I can recommend the site that I used. I'll put the link down in the bottom to download Noise app. But also on top of that, guys, when you're signing up, obviously you're gonna have to sign up as if, like, okay, fine, signing up process is gonna be fine. It's the fact that you might need to use a VPN depending on where you live. For me, I don't need to, but I've noticed for some other people they need to use a VPN when they're using the app. But for me, I didn't need to. I signed up using my my Google ID. Boom, easy. And that's the only way I could get it, is by using my Android. I'm lucky enough to have an Apple and my Android. So when I tried it on the Apple and I realized, oh, I can't access this, I moved on to my Android, and that's how I got it. So if you have an Android laying around, or you're using an Android right now, you can get it. You can definitely get that one. Okay, and when you're on there, it's the same as SoundMe, but a bit different in terms of they literally give you what to post. You don't have to like create your own videos, blah blah blah. No, you can use your own sounds, but they give you what to post. They give you the photos, they give you the captions, they give you the hashtags, and they literally give you step-by-step instructions on what to do. Love it, because it's great. You're basically reposting work that's already been done for you. You know, your job is to just make sure that post gets views. So it means you're gonna have to post at a certain time that you know your followers are always engaging, or there's generally a lot of traffic at that certain time. That's all you need to do, is just make sure you get at least 1,000 views. That's the only catch with the Noise app, is they only start paying you once you reach 1,000 views. Which obviously for some people they'll be like, oh, but I can't reach that. Eventually you will. If you can get at least like 500 to 1,000 views, eventually you will, man. You know, like if you're actually that active, you can at least get a K. All right. At least that's what I'm thinking, if you're actually serious about the fact that you are active on TikTok. So yeah, it's not that bad. Genuinely isn't. It's different brands that want you to post different things. But keep in mind, considering the fact that this app is specifically made for UK, US, and Canada, the content is very, very specific to those countries, like very specific. So sometimes you'll be posting certain things that you know we don't have, like here in South Africa. I know we don't have certain things that I was posting on my TikTok, but I'm still gonna post them, you know, because it doesn't generally mean all my followers are from South Africa. So, you know, if you're comfortable with the fact that you're gonna be posting stuff that majority of your followers are gonna be like, what's she doing? If you're comfortable with that, have at it, because they do pay. And if you use the link below, or matter of fact, use my promo code, you'll get like a $10 bonus. And yeah, it's great stuff. Except on the Noise app, you need at least $50 to withdraw, and they also pay through PayPal and I think other American payment options, which we can't really use. So I'd say PayPal is the main payment for South Africans and people like me, people in Africa at least, you know. And I say Asia also, because like they aren't covered by that app. But yeah, it's a great app. Just make sure you get your views and you post exactly it is that they're telling you to post. It's not that hard to do. It's not that hard. But yeah, getting it, remember, it's a bit iffy because you're not supposed to be using it. you're not in the covered region, but it does work. So yeah. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, because it's definitely a video to enjoy, you know, especially like who's not on TikTok, who's not on Instagram. Come on, at least make some money while doing this, you know. That's exactly what I'm thinking. But yeah, the money's definitely good. I recommend these 2 apps till the day I die. Well, till the day they decide to stop disappointing me. But for now, they haven't disappointed me, and the pay is good. I can't complain. I'm gonna look for more apps that basically, you know, are surrounded by that whole genre of creator and creative mode, you know. But yeah, for today I only have those 2 apps. Hope you guys are not disappointed with what I found, because I clearly wasn't, and my bank accounts clearly wasn't either. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found this fun, educational, or just purely entertaining to know, you know. Yeah, so see you guys on the next episode. Give you whatever you want.